Okay, today we have the TopDon 800 BT2, and I'm going to be doing a very honest review on this. So no cuts, no edits. This is the video. We're straight in, and we're going to get to it. So this is the case, carry case, which I like. Very rugged, not weatherproof, but very durable. This is the machine. In here we have chargers. It takes a Type-C USB, which is absolutely fantastic. You can charge it on the go anywhere, even in a customer's car, for example. So this is the tool. The dongle is actually in the car at the minute because I've been playing around with it. So the dongle slides straight in, which is absolutely marvelous. So it keeps in one place. You always know where it is. You've got an on button here, which is already fired up because I've already been playing around with it. So let's look into this. Let's go back into the main menu. Yes. Let me just click home. Exit. Right, so we're already connected to a vehicle. So what I might have to do is exit this, which I've just done. So this is the main menu. So you've got diagnostics, EOBD, maintenance. I'm not sure if you can see that actually. There you go. More history, updates, library feedback, and user information. So let's head over to the vehicle and show you a live test. So this will be a very honest and genuine review on the speed as well. So this is the dongle, which I was trying to show you earlier, which basically goes into the bottom here as it clips in, nice and easy. So dongle, when you're straight into the port, once it's in, you should have a blue light flashing. So good thing about this is it's wireless, so you've got no cables. So there's the car, dongle's in. We can walk away from the car all the way over to, like, well, I think the range is quite good to be fair. Let's try it from here. So we're a couple of meters away. So we want to go straight into diagnostics. You've got the battery voltage at the top there. VCI has a green tick next to it, which shows basically that it's connected well. So you want to go into Audi. So speed so far, quite good. Automatic diagnostics, so we're going to read the VIN number. This is quite intelligent. And again, quite fast, so we're going to confirm the VIN. It's an Audi A5. So it's even picked up the year on that as well, so it's 2013, so that's great. Okay. Touchscreen's pretty good as well. I'm wearing gloves too, as a lot of techs do. So we've got hot functions, gateway scan, control unit, repair information, which is quite a useful one, or auto scan. So if we go into hot functions as a coupe, okay, it's very fast. Electronic parking brake reset, oil reset. That actually doesn't need doing because my apprentice has serviced this. He's got a service light, so we could do a quick oil reset on it. Dashboard. Vehicle communication. I just love the fact that you can walk around with it. You know, you can be getting on with another task and then you can still be diagnosing or doing a report on a car. So, oil service reset. Let's get back over here so I can put this down. That's the one. Set OK. And then we want to go on to inspection reset as well. To be fair, it's pretty quick. It's pretty quick. So that's that one done. We're going to exit here. And let's do a few tests on the data to see what readings we can get hold of on here too. Confirm. Yes, oh, we've come back out of it now. So, control unit. Let's go into the engine control unit. So it seems to be a few little delays. Overall though, speeds are quite reliable. One thing that would be good, on the back of the actual machine, say like Snap-on, they have like a little lever or a little bracket, so you can put it and hang it on the actual steering wheel. So you do have to kind of hold the machine or place it down. So that'd be one good thing in the future if they were to modify it, but bracket so you can have it on the steering wheel. Let's do an active test. Please turn engine off and ignition on. Yes. Let's test. So we've got fuel pump electronics, exhaust, turbocharger. One we can test now, which you'll be able to see, is the fan control circuit. So, yeah, again, you can walk around with the diagnostic tool. We can press start, and there you have it. The fan's running. So we've tested that the fan works. We want to stop the diagnostics. Then it goes back into non-active. There's lots of different functions you can do with this. It's a very intelligent little bit of kit, to be fair, and for the price as well. I'm pretty blown away by it. It's a dealer level tool at a budget cost, because you can actually access gateway stuff on here. Obviously you've got to pay more for that. So you've got a gateway scan. Might be a little bit slower now in the office. Here we go. So we've got faults with, wow, quite a lot of things actually. All the top ones are showing red. Let's generate a report for the customer. So it tells us it's a pre-scan. It gives us all the information. You've got images you can place into there as well. Confirm. Here's the report, which is great. So this is good for a customer perspective. We can save this report. And then if we go back into the main menu, this is what is good about this. Oh, let's just press main menu there. We should be able to access that report. Here we go, history, reports, system report. So every report you do will save onto the scanner. And then obviously there's a button here to share. So you can PDF it, you can Bluetooth it, which is amazing, or email. So if you want to email that to the customer, type their email in, send. You can do it. You can do that from here as well. So to be fair, like I said, it is a budget price, but you're getting a lot with it. Like I say, with the charging port as well. So let's just grab a pen to get this little cover open. Type C, and then you've got a USB here as well, so you can charge things from this device as well if you like. But yeah, overall, I am very impressed. So going forward, this is going to be my new scanner. Hope you enjoy. Any more questions, leave a comment and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching.